Get set, go!
Everybody loves to take that infamous selfie. We all have them on our phones.
1, 2, 3.
We see them on our friends' social media pages.
Thank you!
Well, it's so easy to add that little selfie stick for an extra touch if you're throwing a birthday party or a special event.
Everybody photo ball, come on, everybody get in the pit.
If you want to celebrate. It's just a fun way to jazz up your pictures. If you're making selfie sticks out of wood, you can paint those wooden pieces. And then once those pieces dry, you are able to add your lettering. You have a lot of options for letters. Get a glue, you can use a super glue, you can use a hot glue gun. Once your letters have dried, you can use your glue of choice and secure those sticks to the back side.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm stealing his last name because he stole my heart.